Hello and welcome to TopApps.ai, where we share the latest and greatest in AI, and we stay up to date on the latest AI trends so you don't have to. So if you want to stay up to date on all of the AI news, change is the only constant here, and we track everything. And if you want to get notified of anything new and cool and exciting, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today, we are going to be talking about the top 10 books on AI. But before we dive in, make sure that you're subscribed. The purpose of this video is to expand your knowledge on the world of AI with some must-read books. Whether you're a beginner, eager to dive into the field, or you're an experienced professional seeking to stay ahead, these books are for you. Let's jump right into the top 10 books that will help equip you with insights and understanding what you need in order to thrive in this rapidly evolving field. First up, we have the 100-page machine learning book by Andrei Burkov. This concise guide is perfect for beginners and professionals alike. With this book, you will gain a solid foundation in machine learning concepts and techniques in its 100 pages. It's a practical and really accessible resource that will kickstart your journey into machine learning. Next on our list is called Deep Learning by Ian Goodfellow, Yeshua Bengio, and Aaron Corville. This book is a comprehensive and invaluable resource for those seeking to understand and apply deep learning techniques. Moving right along, we have Artificial Intelligence, A Modern Approach by Stuart Russell and Peter Norvig. This book is a classic in the field of AI. It covers the fundamentals of AI, including problem solving, knowledge representation, and more. It's suitable for both students and professionals interested in the theory and practice of AI. Now let's explore Machine Learning Yearning by Andrew Ng. Andrew is one of the pioneers of AI. In this book, he shares practical insights and best practices. It covers various aspects of machine learning system and design and deployment. If you're looking for practical guidance from an industry expert, this book is a must-read. Our next recommendation is Superintelligence, Paths, Dangers, and Strategies by Nick Bostrom. This thought-provoking book delves right into the potential impact of artificial general intelligence. It explores the risks and opportunities associated with advanced AI and challenges us to think deeply about the future AI and those implications. Let's move into Pattern Recognition and Machine Learning by Christopher Bishop. This book explores the field of pattern recognition and its applications in machine learning. It provides comprehensive coverage of probabilistic models and algorithms, offering you a solid understanding of this crucial aspect of AI. Our next recommendation is Human Compatible Artificial Intelligence and the Problem of Control by Stuart Russell. Another fascinating read. This book examines the challenges of aligning AI systems with human values and ethics. It offers insights into building safe and beneficial AI technologies and prompts us to consider the broader implications of AI development. It's one of my personal favorites as well. Moving along, we have Reinforcement Learning, an Introduction by Richard S. Sutton and Andrew G. Barto. This book delves into the principles of reinforcement learning and its applications. If you're interested in AI agents that can learn and make decisions autonomously, this book is an excellent resource to deepen your understanding of those things. Next, let's explore Weapons of Math Destruction by Cathy O'Neil. This thought-provoking book shines a light on ethical and social implications of AI and big data. It raises awareness about potential biases and unfairness in algorithmic decision-making. If you're interested in understanding the impact of AI on society, this book is definitely a must-read. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the book called The Master Algorithm by Pedro Domingos. This book unveils the 5 master algorithms that underpin machine learning. It offers a captivating perspective on the future of AI and its potential to reshape our world. If you're curious about the possibilities of AI, this book will provide really intriguing insights. And there you have it. Those are the top 10 AI books that will expand your knowledge and keep you ahead in this rapidly evolving field. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, these books offer valuable insights and really practical guidance. So remember, knowledge is power, and in the field of AI, staying informed is essential. So if you want to learn more about AI tools, go to topapps.ai and browse through our hundreds of curated AI tools. That's been everything for today's video, but thank you so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one.